Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete your search history on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So the first step towards this video is to create an Instagram account. Once you've created that account, you're going to download the Instagram app, and you're going to go into the app. That'll bring you to the home page. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom right corner and you're going to go and select that. That is your profile button. Once you've selected that, you are at the profile and you're going to go up to the top right now and you're going to hit the triple line button. Once you've selected that, you're going to go to the bottom right once again and hit settings. Once you are at your settings, you're going to go into privacy and security. You're going to scroll to the very bottom, and you're going to see it says clear search history. You're going to select that. If it says if you clear search history, you may still see accounts you've searched for as suggested results. You can remove these individually. So let's go ahead and clear search history. We'll say yes, I'm sure. And that has cleared your search history. Now, if you would like to remove these accounts individually, I'm going to show you how to do that next. So we're going to get out of our settings. We're going to go to our search icon right here. Then we're going to go up to search and we'll select that. You'll see that it has suggested ones, either based on searches you made before or just the accounts that they think that you would like. So let's go ahead and we'll delete some of these. You'll hit the X on the far side and you'll see right there, we've deleted a bunch of these accounts. Once you're done, you can hit cancel and you're all set. Now you see if we go into search again, it brings up a whole different list of suggested accounts for you to follow. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.